front view. So you're standing here and you're observing the point, but you will not get the position of this point. So again the same problem will arise. What is the VP is not transparent, and HP is also not transparent. So what is the condition? What is the imagination we have to think? VP is transparent, turn the HP with 90-degree angle. Okay, right? Same here also. Try to think, try to imagine this VP is transparent and HP is also transparent. Okay, and turn this HP with 90 degree, then this HP is coplanar with VP. HP is coplanar with VP. See, when you will observe this one, the projection of this point is projected here and here. Okay, so I am marking the point A position here. I have to mark, I am marking as A. Here I am marking as A dash. Here I am marking the projection of a point on HP as A. I am marking the projection of a point A on VP as A dash. Okay, next what you have to do? What is this distance? This distance is how much distance? 70 mm na? This is 70 mm. What is this in front of the this behind is given how much distance from VP? How much distance from VP? 50 mm, right? This is the 50 mm. Okay, next same. Go. So next it will be how much? It is also 70. It is also 50, right? So see, please try to understand why I am showing these lines with the dots. Why? Because these are the projections. When you will look the object from front view, from top view, so this is the visual imagination of a object on VP and HP. That's why I am showing with the dotted lines. Okay, with the dotted lines. Okay, this is the A. Now how to draw? How to draw in 2D? How to draw in 2D? Draw X and Y. Locate O. So what I told you? Simply, if you will not imagine these things, try to blindly follow these rules. See, 70 mm below. If you will imagine the 3D imagination of a object in any one of the quadrant, then it will be very easy to draw the position of a point in 2D. This is the 2D. This is the 2D drawing. This is the 3D imagination. Okay, so if you will not imagine this one, you will not be able to draw the 2D drawing of a point or drawing of a line, drawing of a plane. Okay, so in this case if you will not imagine, then blindly follow these important things, solutions. See here what solution I have given. See, 70 mm below HP, nothing but XY, below the XY line you have to show. Okay, behind the VP nothing but, what is behind nothing but above. Okay, nothing but, so below HP nothing but, see, this is the 70 mm distance from O I am marking with HB. Next, behind VP is given. Behind nothing but what is you have to draw? Behind nothing but above. You need to show above the XY reference line here. Okay, simply. Next, so this is 50, this is 70, right? In this way you have to show the third condition when the object is placed below the HP and behind the VP. Okay, try to observe the things what is given HP or VP or VP or HP. Okay, but if the condition is given like below, behind, in front, above, just follow this. Above means above the XY, below means below the XY, behind means again it will come above the XY line, in front means it will come below the XY reference line. Okay, this is. Next, fourth one, the point A is 70 mm below 70 mm below the HP and 50 mm in front of the VP. Draw the front view and top views. F dot V, T dot V, nothing but front views, top views. Okay, top views of a point. Okay, this one. The same blindly follow same thing. What you have to do, directly I am drawing this one. See, draw one XY. Okay, draw XY and mark O. See here, A is 70 mm below the HP. Below the HP nothing but below the XY line. See here, in front of the VP 50 mm in front of the VP, 50 mm in front nothing but again this line will come below the. Okay, see, 70 mm, this is 70. Okay, and again I need to show the same position of a point below the XY line up to 50 mm, right? This one. Simple thing, simple one. If you will not able to imagine the three-dimensional rule, okay, if you will not able to this 50, this okay, sorry, take one. For 70 mm length, take another line. Don't show this one. Okay, don't show this one. Mark this up to from XY line to this as 70. From here to here, take 50 mm. This is not necessary to represent this dimension line here. Just erase it. Okay. So in this way, blindly you can draw the 2D drawing of a point, of a plane, of a line easily, if you will not able to imagine in 3D. Okay, see how you will imagination will be. right? This is the fourth quadrant now. This is the fourth quadrant. This is the fourth one. Okay, this is the fourth one. Same 70 mm below HP is given. This is the HP plane, this is the VP plane. 70 mm below and 50 mm in front. I am locating this point here. Okay, next, when you will look the same point from front view, from this side, from top view, from this side. Okay, this is the front view, this is the top view. Okay, you are observing from here, you are observing from here. Okay, see, the rays directly will be projected here. This is the A, I am marking as A dash. So next, from the top view, directly it will project here. I am marking as A. Okay, when you will connect these line with respect to this X, this XY reference line, then you will get this one in 2D. This is 2D representation, this is 3D representation. In the examination this is not required. Okay, you have to show only orthographic projection. This is called orthographic projection of a point. This is the 2D imagination, this is the 3D imagination. Okay, so what is this distance from XY? This distance is 70 mm, then it will become also 70. This is 50 mm, this is also 50. Nothing but this is the front view, this is the top view, right? Front view, top view. The same you will get in 2D in this way. Okay, next, fifth one. Point A is lying on the HP and 50 mm and 50 mm in front of the VP. So this is the, see, A is lying on the HP 50 mm in front of the VP. That means, see here, on the HP 50 mm in front of the VP. On the HP, first one, 50 mm in front of the VP is given, right? So if you will blindly follow the previously told condition, then see here, draw one horizontal line XY, mark any point on horizontal line. This is I am marking as O. In front, nothing but, what is in front? Previously I told you, in front nothing but the position of a point will come below the XY line. How much is given? 50 mm in front of the VP. In front nothing but below the XY line. So see, below, up to here. Okay, this is the 50, right? So then what is on the HP? If he will give on the HP on the VP, then the position of a point will be on the XY reference line only. the position of a point will be on the XY reference line. Okay, nothing but this is A, this is A dash. Nothing but the position of a point is on the XY reference itself. Okay. Okay, from here to here, from here to here, this is 50. Next, here you need not to show. Why? Because on the HP is given. If he will given on the HP, on the VP, please try to show on the XY reference line only. Okay, on the XY reference line. So this is the simple condition. This is the simple condition. See. So generally, see, in front of the VPs, in front of the VP, we can think whether the position of a point will be in first quadrant or fourth quadrant. We don't know. But here, what is given? On the HP is given. On the HP, nothing but maybe the position of a point will be in first quadrant or fourth quadrant. We don't know. That's why we have to show the point on XY reference line. Okay, XY reference line. See here, this is the first quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. So on the HP, he has given on the HP in front of the VP, right? In the previous problem, on the HP in front of the VP. On the HP, nothing but this is on the HP. Whether the position of a point in first quadrant or fourth quadrant, we don't know. But this is also in front, this is also in front. Okay, this is also in front with respect to fourth quadrant. This is also in front with respect to first quadrant. But he has given on the HP. On the HP, nothing but we don't know whether the position will come in first or fourth. That's why we are showing the position of a point on XY reference line. On XY reference line. Okay. On XY reference line. See. See. This is only I am drawing for your imagination only. This is not required to draw in your examination. Okay. So this is VP, this is HP, right? So what is given? On the HP, A is lying on the HP, the point A is lying on the HP 50 mm in front of the VP. This is a 50, this is a VP vertical plane 50 mm in front. That means from this side. Okay, this side. Okay, 50 mm, and it is lying nothing but it is on the HP. It is on the HP. See, from here to here in front, it is lying on the HP up to distance of 50. Up to distance of 50. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. So I am marking this as A, this as A dash. The same we have represented in 2D in this way. Okay, the same we have represented in this way. Next, sixth one, point A. Point A is lying 70 mm above HP and on the VP. The same condition, same. See, above HP is given, nothing but the position of your point with respect to XY line you have to draw above, right? On the VP, nothing but simply you have to show the position of your point on the XY reference line. See, XY I am marking as O, this one, this point. Okay, next, point A is lying 70 mm above HP. Above HP, nothing but you have to show the position of your point above the XY reference line up to 70. On the VP, nothing but you have to show the position of your point on the XY reference line here and here. Okay, okay, I am marking this as A dash, this as A. Okay, this as A dash, this as A. Simply this is the 2D representation of this problem. If you will imagine the 3D imagination of the point A, then what is the in which quadrant the point A will come? First quadrant, second, third or fourth? See here, this is the first quadrant I have taken to represent this point A. See, the point A is lying 70 mm above HP and on the VP. On the VP, nothing but this is VP, this is HP. Coming to above HP, nothing but whether the point will lie in first quadrant or second quadrant, we don't know. That's why I am taking first quadrant itself. Okay, so the on the VP, nothing but the position of a point is on the VP. Okay, from the distance of 70 mm from the HP. 70 mm from the HP, it is lying on the VP. Okay, that means this is the position. This is the position of a point. Okay, this is the position of a point above the HP and 70 mm above the HP, and it is lying on the VP. Okay, so that's why I have taken this one. This one has A dash, this one has A. Okay, in this way, same I have shown in 2D. I have represented in 2D. Same representation. This is the 3D representation. This is the 2D representation. Okay. Next, seventh one. Next, seventh one. Point A is lying on the HP 50 mm behind the VP. This is the problem is given. See here, lying on the HP 50 mm behind the VP. Behind the VP, nothing but already I told you, behind the VP means the position of a point will be above the xy reference line. Okay, xy reference line. See, behind nothing but in which quadrant the position of a point will come. First quadrant, second or second quadrant, third or fourth. Behind nothing but behind the VP is given. Behind the VP nothing but it may be in second or third. We don't know. Okay, and one more condition is given. Lying on the HP. Lying on the HP nothing but we can take this position of a point in second quadrant or third quadrant. Okay, so see, but when the problem is given like lying on the HP or resting on the HP, then you have to show the position of a point on the XY reference line itself. Okay, this is the XY. I am marking this point as O. Next, behind the VP nothing but where I need to show the position of a point below or above the XY line or below the XY line. Behind nothing but what is given condition? Above, this one. Behind nothing but I have to represent the position of a point or position of a line or position of a plane above the XY reference line. Okay, and then 50 mm. This is the 50 mm. Next, this is I am marking A dash and A. Okay, is it okay? Next, we are going to look at the eighth problem for eighth condition. Point A is lying 70 mm below the HP and on the VP. Okay, see here simply lying 70 mm below the HP and on the VP. See, this is the first, this is the second. First condition is on the VP, second condition is 70 mm below the HP. Or else you can think it is first or it is second. Okay, see, I am drawing the 2D imagination of the point. Take XY horizontal line, mark any point on this XY reference line as O. Okay, next below the HP, how much below is given? 70 mm. Below nothing but you have to show the position of your point below the XY reference line. This one, this is the 70.